The legend is back, and this time it's arriving with a modern twist that nobody expected. The new is officially creating excitement among classic car lovers and modern EV fans around the world. Welcome back to Car Trend, the channel where we bring you the hottest future cars, iconic redesigns, and automotive surprises before everyone else. And today, we're talking about one of the most unforgettable names in automotive history, reborn for a new generation. The original Citroën 2CV became famous because of its simple design, lightweight body, incredible comfort, and unique personality. It wasn't built to be fast or luxurious. It was designed to be practical, affordable, and charming. Decades later, the spirit of that car is returning in a completely fresh form with the new 2026 model, blending retro styling with futuristic technology in a way that feels both nostalgic and exciting. At first glance, the new 2026 Citroën 2CV instantly grabs attention with its rounded headlights, smooth curves, compact proportions, and minimalist design language. It clearly respects the original classic while introducing modern LED lighting, aerodynamic improvements, and premium details that give it a clean and stylish appearance. The front fascia keeps that cheerful personality alive, while the redesigned grille and sleek daytime running lights add a futuristic edge. One of the biggest surprises about the new 2CV is its platform. According to early reports and concept previews, Citroën is expected to offer this car with a fully electric powertrain, making it one of the most affordable and efficient electric city cars in its category. That means the iconic 2CV name could now represent simplicity and efficiency once again, but for the electric era. The electric version is rumored to produce enough power for daily city driving while focusing heavily on range efficiency rather than extreme speed. And honestly, that perfectly matches the identity of the original 2CV. This car is expected to deliver smooth acceleration, quiet driving, and very low operating costs, making it ideal for urban drivers who want style, practicality, and eco-friendly performance all in one package. Inside the cabin, the transformation becomes even more impressive. The new Citroën 2CV combines retro inspiration with modern technology in a surprisingly clever way. You still get the minimalist atmosphere that made the original special, but now it's upgraded with digital displays, wireless smartphone connectivity, voice controls, and modern driver assistance features. The dashboard design appears simple and elegant rather than overloaded with buttons. Sustainable materials may also play a major role in the interior design, helping the car feel environmentally conscious while still looking modern and premium. Comfortable seats, soft suspension tuning, and clever storage spaces are expected to make this tiny car extremely practical for everyday life. Another important highlight is the ride quality. Citroën has always been known for building comfortable vehicles, and the 2026 2CV is expected to continue that tradition. Even though it's a compact city car, rumors suggest it will feature advanced suspension tuning designed to absorb bumps and rough roads smoothly. That means this small car could deliver a surprisingly relaxing driving experience, especially in crowded urban environments. In terms of safety and technology, the 2026 Citroën 2CV is expected to include features such as lane assist, automatic emergency braking, parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, and a modern infotainment system with over-the-air updates. That's a massive leap from the simplicity of the original classic, showing how much automotive technology has evolved over the decades. Now let's talk about the design details that fans are already loving online. The curved roofline, compact wheel arches, and signature silhouette give the car a timeless personality that stands out in a world full of aggressive crossovers and oversized SUVs. The 2026 2CV feels friendly, approachable, and unique, which is exactly what made the original so beloved. And perhaps the most exciting part is the possibility of affordability. Citroën reportedly wants this car to remain accessible to younger buyers and city drivers, which could make it one of the most attractive entry-level electric cars on the market. In a time when many vehicles are becoming larger and more expensive, the return of a small, lightweight, affordable car could be exactly what the industry needs. Social media is already filled with discussions about the return of the 2CV, with many fans calling it one of the coolest retro revivals in recent years. Some people compare its potential impact to the rebirth of iconic models like the Mini Cooper or Volkswagen Beetle, but the Citroën 2CV still manages to keep its own unique identity. Whether you love classic European cars, compact city vehicles, or futuristic electric designs, the new 2026 Citroën 2CV is shaping up to be one of the most interesting automotive releases of the decade. It combines heritage, innovation, affordability, and personality in a way that few modern cars can achieve. So what do you think about the return of the legendary Citroën 2CV? Would you drive this retro-inspired electric city car? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest future car reveals here on Car Trend.